We just remove like that. Just so.
Yeah. It's similar to all the other vacuum furnaces you have on Coverstone. Then you have the thermocouple. In this case, you have a ceramic pot, and the furnace is moving up the lift against this ceramic pot. And this is the big difference to the competitors.
Competitor, which one different?
The competitors is moving the lift, the press piston from the upper side to the lower side, and we are pressing from the lower side to the upper side.
You mean the press?
Press.
对，我们
This
是
is a
由
press.
上由下往上，然后其他业节是由下往，我要由上往下。
từ trên xuống. Còn của anh ta là
Yeah, opposite.
dưới là
Yeah.
So this one is it any different compared as a 62.4i for this part?
không, cái này là
This is only for the press. For the 624i, you do not have this part.
Oh, I don't have this part.
Yeah.
Okay.
You only have the complete.
So we just need to
thermocouple.
change the thermocouple.
When you want to change thermocouple, the thermocouple is connected here.
654 xài thanh nhiệt hay xài giống gì ta?
So you need a screwdriver. I don't know. So
Thằng 654
This one.
nó thấy rồi.
chưa biết, phải mở cái này nhìn thấy.
Connection between the equalizer
Take
cable.
more for the take more.
where can I buy this? Anywhere easier.
This one is I think
This
can
is,
buy it from internet, right?
Yes,
Okay.
these are normal.
And it is so practical.
Not inch tool, it's a normal inch.
Này có 500 hít nữa thì ngon.
Mấy này sợ rớt ốc.
Có 500 hít nữa chứ ngon. Cái con ốc mở hết nguyên máy rồi.
Be careful. I don't want to rock it.
All you need just to take this one out. Fire.
Fiber.
So
It's the
soft.
same size,
Yeah.
the same function,
Yeah.
only
But
without.
different material.
Này
This-
bóp cái là đúng rồi.
And this one is a
And there's
defective.
no hole here. And
Yeah.
but
Where
the
is
press
this one?
has
Is
a hole.
only have
Yeah.
Bóp cái lúng rồi.
This was overheated. This is a defective one.
overheated.
Overheated.
Yeah,
Yes.
overheated. It's just for showing.
Cái này nó bị rốt quá nhiệt.
Vậy là mình phải thay cái này thường xuyên à?
Depending the wear parts, 654 and 624, the wear part, the heating elements and the thermocouples are no wear parts. Maybe after a longer period of lifetime, after 5 years. With the high temperature furnaces, as they are heating up to 1500 degrees, the heating element and the thermocouple are wear parts which are necessary to change sometimes after 1 year. It depends on the amount of firings.
Nếu mà soi cái máy mình...
Of course, the heating elements are also wear part, but after 5 years.
Còn cái này nếu mà nung nhiều
Cái này
quá-
5 năm, cái này 1 năm.
Firing
What's the GMI?
furnace on stock.
带回
But the
家。
thermocouples normally for the fire and press furnace are running very long.
Orange.
Then we have the
I take a
thermocouple.
picture.
Yes, a thermocouple is bended here in a small loop and connected here with this meshing brass, meshing clamp. And when you normally it's not necessary to remove. In this case, I remove it because it's very, very old, and I will check if you have a new one.
I don't know about the cups. They reuse it because I made it the fish.
This is really
Soft.
damaged after transportation and 5 times, 10 times or more times changed.
It's too soft, right?
No, it's a issue from changing every month.
So every month they have a training like this.
No, but very often.
I think break into
So
the
I
piece.
will. So I will bring a new one.
Yeah, that would be.
In the meantime, you can remove the heating element.
Lấy cái tiền này.
Only two.
Is any one of you using the cups? Yeah. You're using our glass instead of the cups. Should I wash them?
Cái này dễ bị lâu bể bị lâu sử dụng lâu hoài nó dễ bị hư nữa. Rồi cái này sẽ dễ thay nhiều hơn. Cái nắm cái này.
5 năm á. Đúng rồi, nó gọi này. Đây, chữ S.
The heating element, the electrical ones. And to avoid that the voltage goes to this chamber, we have these ceramic parts. And to avoid that the vacuum goes out of the chamber, we have these red gaskets.
Yeah.
So we have insulation parts for the voltage and insulation part for the vacuum. And normally not too complicated. So when you see it one time, you will understand how it works. So open the screw here and remove it. And now you can open the nut here, this one, and also these nuts. And these connectors are the same at your 624i, at the 220, only different to the high temperature furnace. And also for older ones. So I show it here on this furnace, and you will remember it for every DEKEMA furnace.
Okay. Được tháo ra hết luôn, sướng quá, sướng quá. Also for this one.
Okay, the connectors to the heating element, and this is the connector to the pump
The pump.
and to the sensor on the electronic, because there is a sensor, a vacuum sensor on the electronic,
Yeah.
which shows you the amount of vacuum inside of the chamber.
Yeah. How about this one? I can see. Also
This
have-
one is especially for the press furnaces, for the flooding, for the releasing of the vacuum.
Yeah, really the vacuum. Yeah.
Vacuum flooding is.
So only
Input
only
vacuum,
pressure.
sensor vacuum, and output.
And what you can see here is that the ceramic part is broken. And also this is not connected very good from the last service training maybe. Yeah.
Wow.
These are wear parts. So when you change the heating element, it makes sense to check these connectors and also to change them. And you get a set with the gaskets, with the red gaskets, and also with these parts, because after 5-10 years, it could be that this all is very corroded
Every five
From the-
years, it is okay.
from the temperature. So I must search for a smaller.
So 624i also the same. They have these three, right?
Yes, yes, complete
Okay, complete.
the same chamber. Okay, then I'm searching for a new part here. Also, when you open this one, you can see that there is also a gasket here behind.
Yeah.
So you have gaskets and ceramic parts to insulate everything.
Nhìn ra hồi sự nó cũng đơn giản thôi, không có gì đâu.
Máy này dễ mà.
This one need to take out or put in.
Normally it's necessary to put it out, yes. This is a little bit tricky because there is not too much room here.
Ý 3 độ mà.
So here you can also see when you take a look into a new, when you take a look to a new one. These are the new parts.
To make sure the vacuum is not
This is for the vacuum, yes.
Yeah.
This is only for the vacuum here
Yeah.
because there is no current on these parts because these are the vacuum tubes. Okay. Avoid this, please. Okay. And this is the connection for the heating element. Here there is current on this part because this is the connector to the heating element.
Yeah.
To avoid the contact between these two parts, we have the ceramic part. So we avoid the direct contact between these two parts. Then we must be sure that the vacuum comes not out. So we have this gasket.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
And now, again, to avoid that this gasket becomes too hot, we have this cover. And now we can fix this all with the nut. So we have vacuum and we have insulated the current against this aluminium pot. And as these are ceramic parts, only tighten it with a smaller tool, not with force. And the second thing is that you must be sure that this is on the top, that
Yeah.
you can fix it again. When this is not on the top, you cannot fix it. So I try to not turn over.
Cho nó chạy.
You have
It is
to
a
hold
tip.
it.
Yes.
Cho nó không có chạy.
Tighten it. Can you see it? The customer is using a very big sintering tray, is moving up, and is destroying the
对，你
insulation.
知道那个道理，
It
会
happened.
会撞。
So when you use big trays, be sure that the position is centered.
Always in the center.
Then you can move it up.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will destroy.
Yeah. Otherwise,
The
you
insulation.
crash to
Yeah.
the chamber. Yeah.
Okay.
And
That's
when
why
you
we also
destroy it,
use-
then you have the problem that you always have small parts out of the insulation on your sintering goods and so on.
Understand. Okay.
Yeah, and this part have to be careful because sometimes it happens.
And I know dental technicians are always in hurry.
But sometimes for me, for Vietnamese technique cái này không vừa được cái chân.
Cotton gloves.
Cái chân gì đó vừa.
Glove.
For the picture, use the gloves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it's a correct.
Yeah.
Do right things right. Glove arm.
Nhìn nó chuyên nghiệp. Professional.
Quên hai con nha. Một con mật ong với một con muối chanh.
In the school.
Đây là đăng ký sĩ công. Đây là training to speed.
Oh, for the school. You need a
Where
school.
is the
So you. Wait. Oh. So where to put this?
put it down.
This first.
Kẹp chừng tấm yên này. Cái đèn sửa cái nồi cơm điện.
Cho xa ra, tôi thiệt luôn.
Cầm cái đúng rồi.
Lấy vào cái máy luôn.
Đó.
It's not very good at the moment because we have just Inventur. Weißt du, was auf Englisch Inventur heißt?
Inventory stock.
Stock?
Yeah.
Is this Inventur?
Inventory.
This
Yeah.
week we have in the
Yeah,
company
stock.
we have stock.
Yeah.
So I get no new parts. So I must take the old one again.
This
Because we
But-
don't have a stock, so we bring the old one first.
Yes. You can also do it. The thermocouple of the press furnaces sometimes really are break in 2 or 3 parts. So it's always a good idea to use a ring to
There's
cover
a
the
ring,
parts.
right?
ah
In
So
this
put
case,
it-
it's really a bad
Yeah,
condition.
otherwise it will break.
But we will try it once again. So you use the O-ring, you use this rubber,
Yeah.
and you insert this,
Đúng rồi, đè xuống là nghe không bung lên.
and then it removes the rubber.
oh
Đúng rồi, đè xuống là nghe
Yeah,
nó
because
bung
it's already, 3
And
parts.
lên.
If you use your hand, it won't
yeah
break. So you use
And then it
this
will work
stable.
Phải rồi.
For today, it will
Yeah.
work again.
Cái nó đâu có khích. Với cái sẽ không giữ
And
giữ
then-
lại trước.
and then
Put these silicone plugs through and fix everything again. The silicone plugs are used for the vacuum,
yeah
so we plug it in with force.
Yeah, it's more harder.
Phải gọi ra đây là tức chào nghe.
Not easy. It's very thin. Almost. Yeah.
This is a little bit tricky as it is a manual connection. In the high temperature furnace you have a plug. This is the same here, but it's a connector. So it's easier in the high temperature
So the
furnaces.
orange one and the silver one should
The
be.
orange one is on the right side, like the red pearl.
I mean,
Red pearl on the right side, and also the orange wire on the right side.
It's not so easy.
No,
Yeah.
no. But you must not change it so often. The thermocouple of the high temperature furnace
Xong rồi con xin cho bộ cái nước kem về.
我想买它的图，能够导
你看是什么牌子？
比较方便一点。
不然你们都这么说，用手。
看这个，
这个方便多了。